Good afternoon to the community of divisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonulu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TVC, an economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, this afternoon I just want to charge us on Untie Yourself. For as many who are listening to this broadcast, he is saying that no man can be made a slave to a person or thing without his full permission. No man. The world is free now. Humanity have been set free if only if you can understand and take up. There is an amusing story of two men who got drunk at a party on an island. At about midnight, when the party was over, they staggered down to their little boat, took up their oars, and started to row. The journey back home was supposed to last them for about an hour, but they spent all night rowing and never reaching their destination. Guys, guess what? At the break of the day, they saw themselves alongside an island, still rowing. Wow! What could be happening? They later found out that they had forgotten to untie the rope that held the boat to the island. What a waste of time, what a waste of energy. Many of us are like these two men. We walk relentlessly like the jackals, but we seem to get near nowhere. We may not be drunk like these two men, but we are likely as indifferent as they were to the chains that held them back. What chains held you down and you refuse to let go? You refuse to untie yourself from such chain. Failure in the past or what? We row furiously to get ahead in life. We even increase the speed to make us arrive faster to where we are going. But we are just cycling within the same perimeter. We make many ambitious plans for the future, many good wishes for the future. But we are reluctant to untie ourselves from the past. What past is holding you back? Dear friend, that you are listening to me right now, if in any way you experience this, I encourage you today to audit your past today and see if there is anything still holding you back from making progress. Someone once said, if you are not free, you cannot fly. So guys, untie yourself today. What is that thing that is holding you back? Untie yourself from it. Untie yourself from it. In any area of your life, whatever is holding you back from moving forward, untie yourself from it. Guys, take action. Don't just wish, don't just think. Do what you are supposed to do now. Yes, it is time. Do what you are supposed to do. And before I end this, I want to encourage you. One of the things that can help you to be free in life is what? To let yourself loose from the shackle of poverty, from the shackles of lack, from the shackles of scarcity, and come into abundance mentality. Guys, I have a lot of good news for you. Guess what? There is a link below this video. Click on that link. Subscribe to that link. Apart from subscribing to the channel, there is a link below. Subscribe to that link. There are wonderful packages awaiting you. Guess what? Opportunity to live life to the fullness. So guys, I'll be expecting your call. You can join off group below with the link below. I'll be expecting your call. I'll be expecting you to sign up. Love you guys. God bless you. See you Thanks. Cheers.